Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss from unit and measurement need based question. See the question. In a certain system of units, 1 unit of time 5 seconds, 1 unit of mass 20 kilogram and 1 unit of length 10 centimeter. In this system, 1 unit of power, so power value asking. So here we want to focus one by one. First about time, second about kilogram, and third about length. So let's see now. First I can write the given information. 1 unit of time is 5 seconds. Okay, so 1 unit of time, that is equal to 5 seconds. Therefore what about 1 second? Therefore 1 second. So here 5 seconds. So 1 second means 5 is moving left side, it become division. So already here 1 unit of time is there. So 1 divided by 5 unit of time. So 1 second, that is equal to 1 unit of time. That is the meaning. Okay, like that. Next I can write for next given information. 1 unit of mass is 20 kilogram. 1 unit of mass is, that is equal to 20 kilogram. So again, therefore what about 1 kilogram? So 1 kilogram is equal to 20 is moving this way, become divide. So 1 divided by 20 unit of mass. Like that. Next one, length. Next information, 1 unit of length is 10 meter. So I can write 1 unit of length is equal to 10 meter. Therefore 1 meter is equal to, so 10 is moving here, become division. So 1 divided by 10 unit of length. Okay, so now you know what about 1 second, what about 1 kilogram, and what about 1 meter. Okay, so here they gave the unit about time, mass and length, but now they are asking what about 1 unit of power. That is a question. So generally you know the power formula is, we can write generally work done divided by time. Work done divided by time. So work done unit, you know, joule or otherwise Newton second. Okay, so here the given information based on time, mass and length. So I can write, for example, work done, that is equal to force into displacement. Then here divided by time is there. Then force, you know, mass into acceleration. Then again displacement. Then here time. So now we can convert as a relevant SI unit. Mass unit is kilogram. Acceleration unit is meter per second squared. Then displacement unit is meter. Then divide by time unit is second. That is a second. Yes. Okay. So again we can write the power unit, okay, in terms of kilogram, meter and second. By using that I can write kilogram, meter into meter, meter square, and then per second square, then divide by second is there. Just we can apply, okay, otherwise we can write as kilogram meter square divide by s power minus 2 moving denominator become s power plus 2. So already here s power 1 is there, so we can write s power cube. Okay, now just to replace this value we can get answer easily. Therefore the power is equal to kilogram. You know already 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram how much? 1 kilogram is nothing but 1 by 20 unit of mass. So 1 by 20. 1 kilogram is nothing but 1 by 20. Like that. Next to meter. So 1 meter already what? That is 1 by 10. So meter square, that is 1 by 10 square. Then divide by second. 1 second. So you know 1 second. 1 second is nothing but 1 by 5 unit of time. So 1 second is nothing but, instead of second we can write 1 by 5. Then here cube is there. This is 5. It's not s. This is 5. Okay. So now we can write first 1 by 20 into 1 by 10 square. So 2 times. So 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. Okay. Next, this is the division. Okay. Division is what? That is 1 by 5 whole cube. Okay. 1 by 5 whole cube. So 1 by 5 whole cube. 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 5. So finally I can write this is 1 by 20, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. So this is, you know, this is 2000. So 1 divided by 2000 into, this is 1 divided by 5, again 1 divided by 5, again 1 divided by 5. This is in denominator. Moving numerator become, we can write as 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. So please listen. First fifth table, here 1 time, here 4 time. So we can write as 400. Again here 1 time, this 40 is 8 time, so 80. Okay. Again here 5 1 time, here 16 time, so 1 by 16. Okay. So now we can write as power is equal to 1 by 16. 1 by 16, actually the power unit is what? That is watt. So power is equal to 1 by 16 watt. Okay. So 1 by 16 watt, this match, the answer is matched with option B. Okay. Okay students, I hope understood this question. Thank you.